Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm bringing you a very special traditional dish from Southeast Asia. This dish stands out with its vibrant red color and incredible flavor. Can you guess what it is? If you've seen or tasted this before, let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't, keep watching until the end, and I'll reveal its exact name. First things first, the soul of this dish is the rice. But not just any ordinary rice, we need glutinous rice, also commonly known as sticky rice. Unlike the regular rice you might eat every day, this variety becomes incredibly chewy and sticky when cooked. We need to wash the rice thoroughly. Use your hands gently to remove any impurities, but be careful not to scrub too hard, or you might crush the grains. This dish often appears during holidays or important events in Asia because its vibrant red color is believed to be a symbol of good luck and happiness. Make sure to rinse it thoroughly through 2 or 3 changes of water. Which city are you watching from today? I'm always curious to know where my audience is from. Please say hi in the comments down below. After washing it clean, give it a gentle shake and let the rice drain completely. And here is the star of the show behind today's stunning red color. This is called the GAC fruit, and it is even known as the fruit from heaven. Now, I'm going to cut the GAC fruit in half. Wow, just look at that color. This is a completely natural red. Absolutely no artificial dyes here. I'm going to scoop all of this pulp out into a large bowl. This fruit flesh is packed with incredibly high levels of lycopene and beta-carotene, many times more than you'd find in tomatoes or carrots. It's a superfood that is fantastic for your eyes and skin. Here is a little local secret. I'm adding a splash of white cooking wine, about 2 tablespoons. The alcohol acts as a solvent that helps make the red color more vibrant and lasting during the cooking process. Now, put on your gloves and mash the fruit pulp to separate it from the black seeds. Don't worry about the alcohol taste. It will completely evaporate when we steam it at high heat. After mashing, carefully pick out the black seeds one by one. We only want to keep that smooth, red pulp. Now it's time to dye the rice. Pour all the drained rice into this bowl of GAC pulp. Just look at that color contrast. It's so visually satisfying, isn't it? We're going to mix everything together very gently. Watch as the white grains gradually turn a beautiful reddish orange. A lot of people ask me, what does GAC actually taste like? Honestly, the flavor is quite mild. It's not sour or super sweet, but it has a subtle creaminess and a unique, distinct herbal aroma that's hard to describe. If you can't find fresh GAC fruit where you live, you can try using beet juice or red dragon fruit to get the color, though the flavor won't be exactly traditional. But cooking is all about creativity, so give it a try. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt at this stage. The salt deepens the flavor and helps to bring out the subtle sweetness later on. Give it a really good mix. This color is truly appetizing. Now, let's get our steamer ready. Pour in a good amount of water and bring it to a boil first. For this dish, we use the steaming method rather than cooking it directly in water like regular rice. This ensures the grains cook evenly, stay intact, and don't get mushy. Once the water is boiling, I'll place the steamer basket on top and pour in the rice. Make sure to spread the rice out evenly across the surface of the steamer, keeping the layer as thin as possible. Here is another tip. Poke a few vent holes right in the middle. This helps the steam circulate evenly, cooking the rice perfectly from the inside out without leaving any hard, undercooked grains. Cover it with the lid and let it do its thing. The aroma of the sticky rice is already starting to fill my kitchen. What do you guys usually cook on weekends to treat yourselves? Let me know. We're going to steam this for the first round for about 20 to 30 minutes. Be patient. Good food always takes time. Who here is a fan of coconut milk? We're going to drizzle the coconut milk evenly across the entire surface of the sticky rice. Don't pour it all in one spot. Drizzle it around the edges like this. After that, use a ladle to stir it thoroughly until all the coconut milk is absorbed. And here's a small local technique. After mixing, use the back of a spoon to gently press and compress the surface of the rice like this. This action helps retain steam and moisture underneath which ensures the rice stays sticky and soft, preventing the top layer from drying out during the next steam. At this point, you can also add a little cooking oil. It instantly makes the rice grains glossy and plump. Now, give it a good, even stir. Look at the transformation of the rice grains. They're becoming fluffy and sparkling under the light. Careful! The water in the steamer pot has completely evaporated. Now, I'll refill the water and bring it back up to a boil. Has anyone here ever accidentally let their steamer burn? We definitely don't want this delicious sticky rice to get a burnt smell, right? Once the water is boiling again, we'll put the steamer basket back on and continue the process. At this point, remember to poke those vent holes back in the center. Put the lid back on and continue steaming for another 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the rice grains to fully absorb the coconut milk and finish cooking completely. The final, equally important step, adding sugar. Why do we add the sugar last? If you add sugar too early, the rice can easily burn or the grains can revert, which makes the sticky rice hard. The amount of sugar depends entirely on your preferred level of sweetness. Stir quickly so the sugar melts and soaks into every hot grain. The sweetness of the sugar combined with the richness of the coconut milk and the distinctive aroma of the GAC. Oh, I wish you could smell this through the screen right now. Now I'll steam it for about 10 more minutes, and then our dish will be complete. To make the dish more traditional and environmentally friendly, I'll use a banana leaf to line the plate. Let's ladle the sticky rice onto the plate. When the hot rice touches the leaf, it releases a pleasant herbal aroma. Look at that! The grains are plump, shiny, soft, fragrant, and the color is simply gorgeous. This dish can be served with pork sausage, braised meat, or honestly, just eating it plain like this is already a masterpiece. And just like that, our GAC sticky rice with coconut milk, a dish embodying the true culinary spirit of Asia, is complete. It's not just a delicious meal, but a nutritious health tonic. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit like and subscribe to support me in making more Asian cooking videos. I wish you success and good eating. Goodbye and see you next time.